Hello YouTube, we're back. R6 monkeys out on the bike. I have hopefully got all my audio issues sorted, fingers crossed. You will know if I have because this video will go live. So anybody that follows me on Insta will see that I've just fitted a Healtech Quickshifter to the bike. I was going to do a quick install video and unboxing and all that shit, but when the delivery came I was just too fucking excited. I had to get it fitted. Bought it through drbikes.co.uk. So the plan is, I do want to try and fit in road track day with the bike. Start off with your novice stuff. It's just once you've been over to the Isle of Man and excuse me, blasted across that mountain, you want more, but there is no safe and legal means of doing it over here in the UK. So the plan is to try and fit in some track days. So yes, I've fitted a Quickshifter, which from what I heard on some of the R6 owners forums is just as much fun on the road as it is on the track. So let's find out. Oh, that pop! Oh, I should have fitted one of these years ago. You don't even need to roll off the throttle. Good fun. It will be a wee bit of fine tuning because just adjusting the sensitivity, the sensor on the shift lever. But apart from that, oh, fantastic. It's worth it just for the pops between gear changes. Oh, I hope you can hear that as much as I can. If not, I'll need to set up a camera just at the exhaust to pick it up. Oh. What? No fingers in the clutch, still on the throttle, bum! Bum! Oh. It's actually really smooth compared to what I thought with cutting the ignition for the coils, you know, you'd get a bit of, but if you've got that power on, it's, I think I've got it set at around about 8 milliseconds. Ah, happy days. Why has it took me 6 years of owning this bike to get in a quick shifter? Why, I tell you, why? The Healtech system for this is an absolute doddle to fit. You're just splicing into your 2 pickup wires from the CDI unit, and then it's just basically an ignition live and earthed, and then of course your sensor on the shift lever. Newer bikes are even more straightforward because they just piggyback from the coil plugs. That'll be a curb then. Go, go, go. So much fun. Happy days. Hold on a minute. That Just Eat rider with the fucking L plates was heading onto the motorway. Somebody fucked up. Oh. I think the next purchase might actually be the Healtech gear indicator. I know I did try the universal one, but don't even go there. But I have heard good reviews for the Healtech one, so yes, that might be next investment. Such a nice day as well. Do you believe this morning it was raining? Do you know, it's been a while since I've been in here, so I don't actually know what roads are now shut off to traffic. But no doubt we'll soon find out. Heading for George Square because my mother, being the, you know, soul that she is, left a bag at Queen Street Station. Thankfully it was handed in at Lost and Found. Still need to go on Amazon and order a wee cradle for my session. Kind of miss having that there. Right, I need to keep an eye out as to what roads are now closed. Right, I can still go straight down. Fucking the cyclists are a fucking liability to themselves. I don't rush or anything, dick. Right, so that's that job done. Time to have some more fun with the Quickshifter. The city centres are always a strange place, aren't they? So yes, before I've got it screaming again, I will just give you my overall opinion on the Healtech Quickshifter easy system. As I say, it was an absolute doddle to set up. It couldn't have been any easier. Could do with some fine tuning, so I could, just with the sensitivity of the sensor. That's all down to me. That is taking nothing away from the setup itself. And it is bucket loads of fun. Ready? Boom! No clutch, don't even need to roll off the throttle, mid corner. Oh. Yes, highly recommend it. So you can actually set up the sort of start threshold, what sort of rev range you don't want it kicking in prior to. I think I set mine round about 4,000. And then you set your red line. And it's just pretty much straightforward for there. Healtech UK did comment on my Instagram post saying they could send me some basically their settings for this bike, which they've found are tried and tested, so I'll maybe get in touch with them and see what they send, see how it works out. So guys, I will sign off here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop me a wee comment. It is good to be back out and putting some content together, so hopefully if everything is set up right, audio wise and what have you, I will be getting more out there. R6 Monkey shall be back. But until then, ride safe, keep our shiny side up. Till next time, bye.